Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Easy Maths with Amna. Class 9 student. Today we understand exercise 6.2 question number 2. In today's video we are going to find out all the trigonometric ratios sine, cos, tan for the right angle triangle ABC. At the end of the lesson you will understand easily which side is perpendicular side, which is base and which is hypotenuse, and how to use them find the trigonometric ratios easily. Let's move forward step by step to understand how everything works. Our goal is to find the trigonometric ratios by using the formulas. If you learn the short keys for these formulas, for example, for sine theta you are going to learn SPH. S for the sine theta, P for the perpendicular and H for the hypotenuse. You will get the formula of the sine theta. For the cos theta you have to learn CBH. C for the cos, B for the base and H for the hypotenuse. And for the tan theta you have to learn TPB. And for the tan theta, we have to learn TPB, T for the tan theta, P for the perpendicular and B for the base. We use these formulas to find the trigonometric ratios. In the first part, this says as we have to find the sine theta. But before writing the formula, by using the right angle triangle, we have to understand which side is base side and which is our hypotenuse and which is our perpendicular side. बेस साइड बिकॉज वी आर गोइंग टू कैलकुलेट द एंगल थीटा. थीटा एंगल की बुनियाद पे हम अपने फार्मूला को कैलकुलेट करना चाह रहे हैं, तो थीटा की बुनियाद पे ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ थीटा ऑन विच द थीटा लाइज या थीटा जिस लाइन को टच कर रहा होता है इज़ द बेस एंगल, इज़ आर बेस एंगल. एंड द ऑपोजिट साइड विच हैव द 90 डिग्री एंगल इज़ नोन एज द परपेंडिकुलर साइड. थीटा इस साइन पे बना हुआ है, बी सी हमारी बेस साइड है, BA is our perpendicular side because it's at a 90 degree angle, और 90 degree angle के opposite जो longest side होती है, the longest side which is opposite to the 90 degree angle is the hypotenuse of that triangle. After making base perpendicular hypotenuse हम इन formulas की values को substitute करेंगे. Sin theta as we know that SPH, S for the sine, P for the perpendicular and H for the hypotenuse. परपेंडिकुलर की साइड क्या हमारी, परपेंडिकुलर साइड इज आर बी ए, सो वी आर गोइंग टू मेंशन मेजरमेंट बी ए विच इज इक्वल टू सी. परपेंडिकुलर साइड इज इक्वल टू मेजरमेंट बी ए विच इज इक्वल टू सी. एंड द हाइपोटेन्यूज साइड इज ए सी. हाइपोटेन्यूज साइड इज मेजरमेंट ए सी विच इज इक्वल टू बी. मेजरमेंट ए सी which is equal to B. This is our required answer of first trigonometric ratio sine theta. We have to calculate student cos theta, and cos formula short term is CBH. C for the cos, B for the base and H for the hypotenuse. Now use your triangle to calculate the base. Base is BC. Student, we mention the base side BC. तो base side is measurement BC which is equal to A. Base side measurement BC which is equal to A. Now the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse side is the longest side, opposite side of the 90 degree angle which is AC. Measurement AC which is equal to B. Measurement AC which is equal to B. This is our required answer of second part. In third part, we have to calculate tan theta. Tan theta short term is TPB. T for the tan, P for the perpendicular, and B for the base. TPB. Now, calculate the perpendicular side and the base side. Perpendicular side in the diagram is on the basis of theta is BA. Measurement BA which is equal to C. And the base side on the basis of theta is measurement BC which is equal to A. In fourth part we have to calculate sin phi. On the basis of angle which we have to calculate is changed now. Now the perpendicular on the base size change. जब हमारे पास बेसिस ऑफ थीटा था तो हमारे डायग्राम की वैल्यूज़ हमारे पास बेसिस और परपेंडिकुलर डिफरेंट थे। जब हम फाई की बुनियाद पे ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ फाई एंगल इसको कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो हमारे बेस साइड और परपेंडिकुलर साइड चेंज हो जाएंगे। दिस इज़ आवर डायग्राम। नाउ द फाई एंगल इज़ ऑन दैट। इस लाइन पे है बी ए मेजरमेंट बी ए लाइन पे फाई एंगल लाई कर रहा है, तो नाउ दिस इज़ आवर बेस साइड, because now we are going to calculate the trigonometric ratios on the basis of phi angle. Phi angle, now the other opposite side straight line which have the 90-degree angle, this is our perpendicular side. And the hypotenuse side always remains same, which is the opposite of 90-degree angle and the longest side. Hypotenuse की side हमेशा longest side होती है और opposite of 90 degree होती है. तो hypotenuse remains same on the basis of theta and phi perpendicular और बस base change होते हैं. Now our base is change and perpendicular is change on the basis of phi angle. Sine formula is SPH. S for the sine, P for the perpendicular, and B for H for the hypotenuse. Now substitute the value of perpendicular and hypotenuse from the right angle triangle. Perpendicular side from the right angle triangle is measurement BC, which is equal to A. Measurement BC, which is equal to A. Now hypotenuse side remains same. Hypotenuse side from the right angle triangle is AC. Measurement AC, which is equal to B. Measurement AC, which is equal to B. And this is our answer of sine phi. Student, we have to calculate in fifth part cos phi. Cos formula is CBH. C for the cos, B for the base, H for the hypotenuse. Base side according to the phi, phi की basis पे हमारी base side है BA. Measurement BA, which is equal to C. And the hypotenuse is equal to measurement AC, which is equal to B. Mention measurement AC, which is equal to B. Now student, in sixth part we have to calculate tan phi. Tan phi with the short term is TPB. T for the tan, P for the perpendicular, and B for the base. Calculate the perpendicular side. Perpendicular side from the diagram on the basis of phi BC. Measurement BC, which is equal to S. And student, the base side according to the phi is measurement BA, which is equal to C. Measurement BA, which is equal to C. This is our required answer. Student, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Easy Maths with Amna. Allah.